Hi, this is Aman Kapoor, and today I would like to talk a little about reviewing your term insurance. I know a lot of people have term life insurance. What is term insurance? Term insurance is temporary life insurance, which covers you for the duration of the term. It could be 10 years, 20 years, 25 years. It's a cost-effective way to insure yourself. Your premiums are very low for the first leg of your term. So if you've taken a 20-year term, your cost of insurance for the first 20 years is very, very, very low, assuming that you're healthy and all that. However, when your term gets renewed, and it does get renewed automatically without any declaration of insurability, the cost of insurance on that renewal is extremely high. It is high. A $50 policy can cost you close to $500 a month, on a 20-year term policy. And then, again, it's depending from one company to the other, but and how the renewal rates are working. And there could be certain renewals that will happen on an annual basis. So first 20 years, your rates are the same. After 20 years, the rates will go up. And every year, it'll keep going up, and up. So not a very comfortable place to be, especially if you have fixed income and you would like to have a budget for all your expenses. Therefore, it's important to review your policy. When you review your policy, you're able to understand a couple of things. First, what is your policy all about? How long will your coverage last? And what will happen once that term is over? Then you identify that policy with your present needs. So you've taken this policy maybe 5, 10, 15 years ago, but you are now reviewing your policy just to identify how this policy is going to help you for the next 20 years, because you still may have debts, you may have responsibility, you may still want your family covered in case if anything was to happen to you. But this policy is going to probably not work in the manner that it has up till now because of its cost escalation impact that it may have on you. So therefore, it is better for you to see what in the present context you may have available for you. So a lot of times people change their insurance portfolio by acquiring new coverages simply because of the fact that what they had, what they took out 10, 15 years ago is not going to probably work in the same manner, and their needs have changed. They need insurance, not just more insurance, but they need insurance for a longer period of time. We're living in a world where we may have debts, we may have responsibilities, we may have financial commitments for way longer than what we had imagined it to be 15, 20 years ago when we started out in our life. So therefore, it is important for us to review our policy. We can also, once we review our term insurance, we will be able to understand how much approximately would be the cost of the renewal on a policy, whether we have a conversion privilege, and if we do have a conversion privilege, which we do, then how would that work? What would be the cost of having a permanent policy from conversion? And the third most important thing is, what are my options out there if I want to have additional insurance, or if I want to have a policy that is going to essentially replace my existing insurance? How will that work out to be? How long can that coverage be? What are my options there? What are the costs entailed? And so on and so forth. So I look forward to talking to you more on this. We must review our needs, because on the basis of our needs, we can actually create solutions that would best address those needs. Thank you, and I do look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.